Hi loves, welcome back to another video. This is something totally different from what I usually do. As you can see, I am using this glue and I'm going to show you all the stones I'm going to be using. This is just a regular wax pencil that I use to pick up the stones. And I actually wrote my name on that mirror there with the wax pencil. These are all the red stones, and I have these little multicolored stones. I have a little box of variety stones. Like I said, this is a totally different video than what you're used to. This is sort of a DIY. Not sort of, it is a DIY. So I got that glue actually at Joann's fabric store. It was like maybe $2 or $3, something like that. Very affordable. So, I mean, if you have a lot of beads or a lot of, not beads, sorry, a lot of stones or, anything you want to bedazzle really, this is one way to kill the time right now. I hope you guys are all being safe and taking care of yourself. I hope none of you have been affected by this coronavirus. I know a lot of us have been affected on some level, but I hope you all are doing well, and please take care of yourself. Please stay indoors, you guys. Can't stress it enough. Your family and your loved ones depend on you being healthy. All right, getting back into this video, I'm going to go ahead and just let you guys watch. Everything's pretty self-explanatory. I drew my name on the back of the mirror with a wax pencil. What I liked about using the wax pencil is if I made a mistake, it was easy to just rub it off and start all over. So, like I said, everything here is very self-explanatory. And as you can see, I'm doing it in parts because this did actually take about I want to say 5 days, 5.5 days or so. So I was doing it, like a couple of hours here and there. So probably a total of maybe 8 hours or so combined. I'm going to say maybe more. I don't really know. I should have kept track, but I didn't. So I apologize. Anyhow, please enjoy the rest of the video. I hope you guys enjoy this DIY. And if you guys do any cool DIYs, tag me on it. I would love to see what you guys do. Yeah, and take care and stay busy and don't allow your mind to be bored. Find fun stuff to do, mingle with your family, read, spiritual seek. There's a lot to do, you guys. So take care, hugs and love, and thank you for watching this video. And please don't forget to rate, comment, and subscribe. Much love, you all.